Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another project with you, and this one is a stuffed paper bag. It has a journal, it has lots of ephemera. I've used the new kit, the collaboration kit that me and ARTYmaze has done, which is called Spring Mist, and both them kits will be linked below. I have the Traveller's Notebook size in my shop, and Andrea, who is ARTYmaze, she has the full journal size in her Etsy store. So like I said, them links will be below. This is the second project that I've done with it. So like I said, it's an altered paper bag. It's one of the block bottom paper bags like these, and I think on my playlist I've done like a tutorial on how I do all these, you know, just to kind of make it like that and decorate it and blah blah blah. It wasn't obviously this theme, but it was another theme. So anyway, if you want to have a look at that, check out my playlist, which is called Let's Make. So I've decorated the front of the paper bag, and it's stuffed full of tags, tickets, envelopes, little booklets, another envelope. I've decorated it using some of the embellishments that you get with the kit, and these words are actually a freebie, which are from ARTYmaze, and you can find them in her Facebook group. Okay, it's because I've been dealing with looking at Etsy today and my website and blogs, and my head's all over the place, and I had a really crappy sleep last night. So anyway, we've got a fully embellished journal inside as well. So I'm going to show you the what's in here first, right? So I'm just going to pull everything out. Right, so that's the paper that I've used to, oops, hang on a minute, my I'm watching something on Prime and it's just automatically just decided to play. This is one of the papers from the kit, and obviously this is as well. Like I said, these are the embellishments. The butterfly has got some bling on it, and the envelope here, you get a little journal card with that, which I've coffee dyed, and it's got a lot of shimmer to that. So that goes in there. Then I've made two little booklets with the double journal cards, and that goes in there. Then there's the two envelopes. Oh, I don't know why that keeps doing that. I'm just gonna take it off completely. There we go. That's a bit strange. Everything's just automatically playing. I do apologise. It's been doing that all night. It's a bit strange actually, stopping and starting when I've been watching stuff. So it's got some coffee dyed paper in the envelopes. That's that one, and then there's that one. Then there's just coffee dyed paper inside there as well. So we have that. Let's do that so the envelope's sticking up. These are a freebie which Andrea has got on her Facebook group, and I've put it on my I've got a little page on Facebook which is called My Crafty Little Corner. I've put it on there, but I am trying to work it out so that I can put it on my blog, so it's easier if you want to go over and get it. But you can get that on Andrea's Facebook group, ARTYmaze and Friends. Two tags from the kit. And then this is one of the journal pages from the kit, which I've just shrunk down, I think, to 75%. Got a little bit of seam binding. And then these are freebies on ARTYmaze's shop, not a shop, her Facebook group. And I've just stuffed that with coffee dyed paper. So it's another little notebook. So there's lots of little notebooks to, you know, jot down notes in. And let me get inside and show you the journal. Okay, so I'll put that to one side. So the journal is just a fabric cover, and people have asked me time and time again, and I've yet to, I just get carried away because the journal, the cover is the last thing that I do once I've made like the insert and things. I use 2 or 3 layers of cardstock, one of them being coffee dyed. If I'm using fabric, then I will cover the outside with fabric. I will glue all that down. I'll use like a Mod Podge or a like a decoupage glue or something like that to make sure it's all down. Then I stitch all around, and that's what gives me the cover. When I do when I fold it in half, I then go out, I think it's about a centimetre, and score either side. This just gives a little bit of give when you know, so that it's not just like a flat spine, if you know what I mean, just like that. Anyway, that's how I do that. That is just simply closed with the organza ribbon. And let's go inside. Just checking that I'm in frame here. Okay, so again, this is one of the pages, and obviously, like I said, I've got the TN size in my shop, and Andrea's got the full journal size, and obviously I'm working with the TN size. I've used some of the pages to make little pockets, and I've backed them onto cardstock. Again, I've used the full stamps, little bit of music paper. This is a freebie word from ARTYmaze, and we've got a tag, and then a coffee dyed and stamped tag there, and it's got a little shimmer to it. That was in there, and didn't mean to do that on there. Don't want to rip that now. There we go. So we've got a doily and some music paper. Then I made, with the little pockets that you get from the kit, I just again used some of the papers from the kit, because you get obviously the TN size papers, and then you get a lot of like background papers, and they're full size even with the TN kit. And I've just popped that onto cardstock. Then I put some coffee dyed paper on there. I stitched all around the edge, popped the pocket on. This is a freebie from ARTYmaze, and I just made a little coffee dyed tag with a butterfly in there, and that goes on there. This is from the old design shop. I've just got a tag there from the kit. We have lined paper. There's lots and lots of journal room stitched around some of these pages, and we have another tag, and this is like all the watercolor tags which Andrea actually done, I think, by hand. This is one of the pages that I've created into corner tucks. Another page from the kit. These are actual pockets from the kit, and then I've used these little freebies from Andrea and put them on there. We've got a tag and a stamped tag there. A doily, some music paper, the old design shop, another tag on here from the kit. I think you get about 4 pages of tags with the kits. I'm going to show you tomorrow how to make your own wax linen thread, because I bought some wax linen thread which wasn't really waxy in my opinion, and I've got absolutely tons of it. So I've got that, and I think it's because it's really thin. The stuff that I normally bought or buy was thicker, so I've doubled that over, and I'll show you how to wax that up. It's nothing, you know, nothing genius or anything, but if you've got a little bit of wax, you can use a candle, like a clear candle as well. I've got beeswax. So yeah, and that's quick and easy to do, and I find with the wax linen thread it's so much easier to sew. Anyway, another pocket, another full stamp, the word constant, and then some music paper there. Another tag, and this kit, if I haven't already said, is called Spring Mist. Another tag, and a tag that I've made, and another little freebie there from ARTYmaze. Another tag on there. That was made from one of the pages, and it's not an actual tag, it's just one of the pages that I've used. Then I made another little like tag pocket thing, so you can obviously write on the back there. And again, that's a freebie, and that's just paper clipped on there. Doily, and another tag, and another stamp tag there, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Feels nice, and I've done that so that I can slip that on real easy, because I'm crap at doing bows. I can do little bows on the bow maker, but I can't tie a bow. Absolutely terrible. And I've watched tutorials over and over again, and I still cannot get it. Just one of them things that just my brain doesn't sync with. So there we go. So that is my other creation using the Spring Mist. This is the TN size that I've used. Both links will be below to myself and Andrea's collaboration kits. If you have any questions, or this will be listed on my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.